The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government, the United Nations, and the U.S. Department of Temporal Phenomena. This is not a test. Please listen closely, as your life may depend on it due to the decisions you may make after this broadcast is over. We repeat, this is not a test. Pay close attention. As you may know by now, your peripheral vision has been altered. Do not, under any circumstances, look behind you. If lights are on in your house, turn off every single one of them. If you see a silhouette that looks like you, it is you. It has always been there with you. It has existed ever since you. It knows everything about you. It knows who you are. Because you are them. It will tell you differently. She is here.
Inon Luisa Mel